how do you find the speed of a moving object? This is the formula. Speed is equals to distance over time taken. For example, example 1 about speed, time and distance. So a boy ran a distance of 100 meters in 10 seconds. Calculate his speed in meters per second. So this is how we do it. So we use our formula there. Speed equals to distance over time. Our distance is 100 meters and our time is 10 seconds. So the speed will be what? 100 divided by 10, it will be 10 meters per second. A car travels at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour for 3 hours. What distance does it cover? So this is how we do this symbol. Still we are using our formula up there. The formula is speed is equals to distance over time. We have speed, we also have time, but we don't have distance. Alright, so we come and say speed is 60 is equals to distance over time. Time is 3 hours. So what do we have? We have to look for distance. Distance will be 60 times 3, which will give us 180 kilometers. I hope up to that point you are okay. That is our assignment. So if you are done with the assignment, you can send your answers to the comment section of this video. Thank you so much.